Good morning, students.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning, madam.
Today I will teach birds name list A to Z.
Okay, madam.
Okay, madam.
A for Anhinga bird. Okay, next bird is B for bluebird. Okay, next bird is C for chickadee bird. Okay, next bird is D for duck bird. Okay, next bird is E for egret bird. Okay, next bird is F for falcon bird. Okay, next bird is G for gallinal bird. Okay, next bird is H for hummingbird. Okay, next bird is I for ibis bird. Okay, next bird is J for jaybird. Okay, next bird is K for kingfisher. Okay, next bird is L for loon. Okay, next bird is M for meadowlark. Okay, next bird is N for nighthawk. Okay, next bird is O for owl. Okay, next bird is P for pelican. Okay, next bird is Q for quail. Okay, next bird is R for raven. Okay, next bird is S for skimmer. Okay, next bird is T for tanager. Okay, next bird is U for upland soundpiper. Okay, next bird is V for vulture. Okay, next bird is W for woodpecker. Okay, next bird is X for xanthus merlet. Okay, next bird is Y for yellow leg. Okay, next bird is Z for zone-tailed hawk. K super. Okay, class over. See next class. Thank you, students. Bye.